Morning, 10th class student. We have discussed about the combination and decomposition reaction till now. Further, proceeding towards our next topic is the displacement reaction. Next reaction is the displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Displacement reaction is a reaction in which more reactive element displaces the less reactive element. जो ज़्यादा reactive element होगा वो less reactive element को displace कर देगा. This type of reaction is called displacement reaction. For example, I'm telling you this example of displacement reaction. When zinc react with copper sulfate, it gives rise to the formation of zinc sulfate with the release of copper. So copper is less reactive and zinc was more reactive. That's why it takes place the place of copper. तो कॉपर सल्फेट में से कॉपर क्या हो गया? डिस्प्लेस हो गया, बाहर निकल गया क्योंकि ये ज्यादा रिएक्टिव था. और कॉपर का प्लेस किसने ले लिया? जिंक ने. जिंक वाज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर. दैट्स व्हाई इट डिस्प्लेसेस द कॉपर. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी टेक द कॉपर एंड सिल्वर नाइट्रेट, सिल्वर इज डिस्प्लेस फ्रॉम दिस सॉल्यूशन. सिल्वर यहाँ से अलग हो जाएगा, डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज लेस रिएक्टिव देन द कॉपर. Or you can say copper is more reactive than the silver. That's why copper react with the NO3 and form the copper nitrate solution, and silver is released out. Silver is displaced. Similarly, the very common reaction when iron react with copper sulfate, it give rise to the formation of iron sulfate with the release of copper. See here also, copper is displaced from here. कॉपर यहाँ से डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा बिकॉज आयरन वॉज मोर रिएक्टिव देन द कॉपर. दैट्स वाई इट टेक प्लेस ऑफ कॉपर. कॉपर के प्लेस पर क्या हो जाएगा? आयरन आ जाएगा बिकॉज इट वॉज मोर रिएक्टिव देन द कॉपर. सिमिलरली दीज टू आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. लेड एंड कॉपर क्लोराइड. इन दिस रिएक्शन कॉपर इज डिस्प्लेस आउट. कॉपर यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज लेस रिएक्टिव and lead was more reactive than the copper. Similarly, chlorine and sodium bromide. Out of this, bromine is released out. Bromine is displaced from its position and its place will be taken by the chlorine because chlorine was more reactive than the bromine. So this was all about the displacement reaction. Next is the double displacement reaction. Next reaction is the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is a reaction in which there is an exchange of ions. Ions का exchange होगा basically between the reactants to give new substance is called double displacement reaction, in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants. Reactants के बीच में ions का exchange हो जाएगा and give rise to the formation of new substances. This type of reaction are called double displacement reaction. See, I am showing you example of double displacement reaction. इसके अलावा double displacement reaction की क्या क्या characteristic हैं? Formation of precipitate, evolution of gas, change in color. All these are the characteristics of double displacement reaction. These are the example of double displacement reaction. Barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. It give rise to the formation of barium sulfate with the release of सोडियम क्लोराइड. बेरियम क्लोराइड एंड सोडियम सल्फेट आयंस का एक्सचेंज हो जाएगा. इसका पॉजिटिव आयन इसके नेगेटिव के साथ चला जाएगा एंड दिस पॉजिटिव आयन विल बी एक्सचेंज बाय सोडियम सल्फेट नेगेटिव आयन and it give rise to the formation of barium sulfate and sodium chloride. You can see here the exchange of ion take place between the reactants. Similarly, sodium chloride and silver nitrate, this positive ion react with the negative ion and this silver ion react with the chlorine ion and give rise to the formation of the new product, that is silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Similarly, sodium sulfate and barium chloride ions are exchanged between the reactants and give rise to the formation of the new substances. New substances are formed by the exchange of ions. These type of reactions are called double displacement reaction. Now I told you earlier also these two type of reaction, exothermic and endothermic. Clearly आपको पता होना चाहिए exothermic reaction are the reaction in which heat is produced, heat is evolved out. ऐसी reaction को बोलेंगे exothermic reaction. And endothermic reaction are the reaction in which heat is absorbed These type of reaction are called endothermic reaction. See, a chemical reaction in which heat energy is given out. See, heat is given out, heat is evolving out. This type of reaction is called exothermic reaction. When carbon react with oxygen, it gives rise to the formation of carbon dioxide, and this amount of energy is released in this reaction. Similarly, hydrogen when combined with oxygen and give rise to the formation of water. These amount of energy released in these reactions. So these type of reaction are called exothermic reaction. Next is the endothermic reaction, the chemical reaction in which heat energy is absorbed. ऐसी chemical reaction जिसमें heat energy absorb हो रही है. I have given you the example also earlier of thermal decomposition reaction, the reaction in which heat energy is absorbed. See, these are the example of endothermic reaction. Heat energy इसमें absorb हो रही है. Calcium carbonate will split into calcium oxide, quicklime and carbon dioxide by absorbing the heat. So this type of reaction which absorb the heat, these type of reaction are called endothermic reaction. Similarly, for the breaking down of lead nitrate, it will absorb the heat and after that it will break down into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So the reaction in which heat is absorbed, these type of reaction are called endothermic reaction. So till now we have discussed about the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Further we will continue our topic in the next video. Thank you.